Today we're diving into the DJI HDMI output module, designed to take your Phantom 3 Pro ADV or Phantom 4 Pro ADV drone flying experience to the next level. This compact module attaches seamlessly to the back of your remote controller, offering a range of connectivity options that elevate both your monitoring and control capabilities. Firstly, let's talk about connectivity. The module features a mini HDMI output port, allowing you to connect directly to HDMI monitors or FPV goggles. This is ideal for real-time monitoring of your drone's flight footage, providing crisp visuals without latency issues. Additionally, there's a micro USB port for connecting your mobile devices, enhancing your overall control interface and data transfer capabilities. One of the standout features is the USB port, which facilitates easy connectivity for external devices, adding versatility to how you manage your drone operations. Whether it's downloading flight logs or transferring media files, this port ensures seamless data exchange. For those looking to expand their setup, the CAN expansion port opens up possibilities for integrating additional peripherals or customizing your controller setup further. It's a feature that enthusiasts and professionals alike will appreciate for its potential in creating tailored drone solutions that in terms of build quality. DJI maintains its reputation with a sturdy design that feels reliable in hand. The module integrates well with the controller, ensuring minimal interference with your flying experience while maximizing functionality. Overall, the DJI HDMI output module is a must-have accessory for serious drone pilots seeking to enhance their FPV setup. Whether you're flying for recreational purposes or conducting professional aerial photography, this module delivers on its promise of extending connectivity and improving overall user experience. If you're looking to step up your drone FPV game, consider adding the DJI HDMI output module to your setup. It's a worthwhile investment that opens up new possibilities for monitoring and control, ensuring you get the most out of your Phantom 3 Pro ADV or Phantom 4 Pro ADV drone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tips on drone accessories.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.